Hey guys, John here, Vapor Honing Technologies here today. We're going to be covering, do all vapor honing machines accomplish and complete the same goal and task, which is coating preparation, cleaning of the part, prepping or polishing a surface, creating a aesthetical looking part? That is the question we're going to answer. Do all vapor honing machines accomplish and do this the same way? So the short answer would be yes. All machines do create or can create and complete the same job. The major difference is going to be the speed in which you do that. So if you look at our product line, starting with the micro, going all the way up to our industrial products, that is the big difference between these products, is the speed in which you're going to be able to accomplish cleaning or polishing of a part. Number two, it's going to be durability. So durability over time. How long is the product going to last you? Also, what kind of duty cycle do you need? Are the duty cycles going to be the same? Because duty cycles are not all the same with all of our products. If you look at micro, you're not going to be able to run or use or outlast an HD machine if you're comparing a micro cabinet to an HD. So don't make the mistake in doing that. The third thing would be the amounts of liquid or slurry that we're going to be putting on the part. And that comes from pumping systems, nozzles, a couple different combinations. Now that alone is not the defining factor of why you're cleaning faster. It's going to come down to the air pressure and the air compressor that you have. That is the biggest misconception in the industry, is that it's the machine that's cleaning faster. It's not the air system. It's definitely the air system. Most of these machines in the world are all set up very similar. There are very subtle differences here and there, but relatively speaking, it's the air system that somebody's using that's going to give them a faster cleaning result or cleaning power. So keep that in mind. Air compressor is very important, right? Air compressors and air in general is very important. You have to have a lot of air. One of the biggest problems the DIY guys or the hobbyist will not necessarily fail, but they'll be slower in cleaning parts, is that their air compressors are smaller or insufficient completely. So they're not producing enough air to actually accelerate this liquid. But those are a couple differences. Of course, pricing becomes different when you talk about industrial cabinets or entry-level vapor honing cabinets. All of your pricing is different based on size, materials, warranty, what have you. And there are all reasons for that, but it comes down to bells and whistles, so features and benefits. We have something for everyone in the spectrum, and of course we allow you to trade that product up. So no matter where you're at with our product line, you can always step up to the next level. So if you're just getting started, you don't have $10,000 to spend or $5,000, there's a product available for you that you can get into and trade up. So that's our trade up program. Also, the reason that you should buy from us, and all machines are not the same when it comes to this, and that's our lifetime warranty. We're the only company in the industry that offers a lifetime warranty. So that is a huge difference between what we do and what we offer and other companies in the world. So that should tell you a lot about what we do. We stand behind our product and we help you stay up and running, which is going to make you more money for longer periods of time. So hopefully it answers a few questions about are all the machines the same, or do they accomplish the same result? They do. It could be a speed difference. That's your main difference. And of course, it could be a durability or a long-term durability difference. But hopefully that helps. If it doesn't, call or email the sales team. They're always here and happy to help. And as always, thanks for watching.